Welcome to Drive Fathom, where power meets perfection and every ride tells a story. Today, we're exploring a machine that defines automotive dominance, the 2026 Brabus 800 edition. What happens when German precision meets unrestrained power? You get an SUV that doesn't just arrive, it takes over every road it touches. Based on the iconic Mercedes-AMG G63, the Brabus 800 edition pushes the limits of performance and luxury. Beneath its bold hood lies a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine tuned to unleash a breathtaking 800 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. This massive powerhouse rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, delivering supercar-level acceleration wrapped in SUV comfort. Every press of the throttle brings instant, controlled aggression, the signature Brabus experience. Visually, the Brabus 800 edition demands attention. The muscular wide-star body kit gives it a broader stance, while carbon fiber accents across the hood, grille, and rear spoiler enhance aerodynamics and add a touch of motorsport flair. The massive 23-inch forged monoblock Z wheels provide both strength and lightness, ensuring perfect stability at high speeds. LED details, exposed carbon fiber, and the red Brabus badging complete a look that's bold, modern, and unmistakably powerful. Step inside, and you enter what Brabus calls its masterpiece. Interior, a handcrafted blend of luxury and individuality. The cabin features the finest leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, all stitched and sculpted to perfection. The diamond pattern seats are heated, ventilated, and contoured for maximum comfort. Customization is limitless, letting every owner design a truly personal masterpiece. Ambient lighting glows softly across the cabin, creating a space that's both high-tech and inviting. Technology is equally impressive. Mercedes' advanced MBUX infotainment system integrates seamlessly with exclusive Brabus features, offering crystal-clear digital displays, intuitive controls, and enhanced performance data. The digital cockpit feels futuristic, while premium audio and driver assistance systems make every journey effortless and safe. Underneath, the Brabus ride control suspension adapts instantly to your driving mood. Switch between comfort, sport, or Sport Plus, and feel the SUV transform from a refined cruiser into a roaring performance machine. Steering precision, braking power, and body control are finely tuned, proving that size doesn't have to compromise agility. The 2026 Brabus 800 edition isn't just about transportation. It's about presence, personality, and perfection. It's built for those who want performance without compromise, luxury without limits, and individuality without apology. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this deep dive. Subscribe to Drive Fathom for more incredible automotive stories. And don't forget to watch our next video, because at Drive Fathom, we don't just talk cars, we live them.